flying high in the sky. No worries, no fears, no need to ask why. It doesn't sow or reap the grain. Still it sings through joy and pain. And if the birds can soar so free, why can't you and why can't me? Lift your eyes, just wait and see. There's a promise in the breeze. Look, a bird, how it flies. No worries, no goodbyes. It trusts the wind, it trusts the air. And every moment it knows God's there. So why should we ever doubt or hide? Look, a bird, and see the peace inside. Every wing beats with grace divine. Through the storm it knows it's fine. No need to gather, no need to hoard. Trust in heaven's perfect accord. If the birds can trust the sky, why should you be asking why? Lift your heart, let your spirit fly. Feel the love that never dies. Look, a bird, how it flies. No worries, no goodbyes. It trusts the wind, it trusts the air. And every moment it knows God's there. So why should we ever doubt or hide? Look, a bird, and see the peace inside. Oh, we are more than the birds of the sky. Still we carry fear, still we wonder why. But if we trust like the birds in the air, we know God's love is everywhere. Look, a bird, how it flies. No worries, no goodbyes. It trusts the wind, it trusts the air. And every moment it knows God's there. So why should we ever doubt or hide? Look, a bird, and see the peace inside.